Good day folks, it's the Social Media Squad, and today we're here to help you succeed in upcoming exams. And what better way to do so than providing some study tips? Let's get right into it. Tip 1. Reviewing past papers is an excellent way to help get a feel for the questions asked in each paper. It can also help you identify common themes or topics. Past papers help you test your knowledge as well as exam writing time. Our second tip includes creating a studying schedule. A studying schedule is a great way to help avoid last-minute cramming. It allows you to set different subjects on different days for different hours. This also helps you prevent procrastination, which we know chows time. Our last tip is probably the most important. This includes taking care of yourself. As university students, you probably only sleep 2 hours, but try for 8 or a good night's sleep in general. Also, eat proper meals. A good skaffsien goes a long way. We do hope these tips are helpful in getting you ready for the exams. Remember, keep your head down and keep a positive attitude too. Comment down below your helpful study tip. From the UFS Squad, best of luck with the exams.